We're entering the leverage economy. Software engineers who stay in the 9-to-5 path are working harder for less control, while others are using the same exact skill set to build businesses that scale income, time, and location freedom. So here's the truth that most software engineers don't want to admit. You can be highly paid and still trapped. And we're entering a new era where the people with leverage, not credentials, win. And while most devs are worrying about AI replacing their jobs, the smartest ones are using that very same AI to build businesses that outperform their salary. Welcome to what I call the leverage economy, and it's changing everything for software engineers who are actually paying attention. Now, if you click this video, you already know that you're capable of more income, more freedom, more control over your time. But what you might not know just yet is how to exactly get there without burning out, without launching a startup, and without spending 2 years building a tool that nobody wants. In this video, I'm going to show you a system that helps software engineers create scalable software businesses using the same exact skills that they already have and turn them into leverage. No product, no audience, no perfect idea. Just one skill, one offer, and a proven process. John was a principal ML engineer for 12 years. He now makes $50,000 a month and can take vacations without asking anybody for permission. Marco quit Microsoft. In under 3 weeks, he replaced and surpassed his income working with high-level clients in the VC space. Masa, who didn't even speak English, landed a $10,000 deal and a monthly retainer within a month of joining. These aren't unicorns. They're just smart engineers who stopped waiting for permission and built something of their own. My name's Bago, and I was in your shoes not too long ago, stuck in a software engineering path, making good money, but feeling like I had no control. Since then, I've built and scaled 2 businesses. One that helps companies make better decisions through analytics, and one that teaches engineers how to build software businesses that scale. And what I've learned is this. Most software engineers are one system away from being free, but nobody teaches them that system. So most devs, when they finally want out, they jump into all the wrong things. They start building SaaS from scratch, chasing AI tools with no monetization plan, or coding in a cave hoping users will come as long as the product is good. But here's what you don't realize. These are not beginner-friendly models. They're actually very high risk, high time cost, and low certainty. And at Code to CEO, we teach a simpler path. Use your existing skills to solve expensive B2B problems, package that into a high-ticket service, and scale through systems. We call this the leverage loop. It's a repeatable system that engineers use to go from employee to entrepreneur by stacking 3 types of leverage. Skill leverage, you package your existing engineering experience. Delivery leverage, you build systems so your output isn't directly tied to your hours. Client leverage, you work with businesses who will gladly pay you $5,000 to $15,000 a month. And you don't need to be a marketing expert. You don't need to be a sales expert. You just need the right system. And we'll walk you through the exact framework we call the engineer exit plan. You learn how to position yourself, craft an offer based on what B2B clients actually pay for, not what you think they pay for. We'll get into pipeline, build a client acquisition machine that works without cold DMs. We'll then dive into packaging, pricing and productizing your skills into scalable delivery. And last but not least, we'll do proof. Use your first clients to snowball trust, results, and referrals. And this is how our clients go from $0 to $10,000 a month in under 90 days. No product, no brand, and no prior business experience. Now, you might be asking yourself, this is too good to be true. What if I don't know what to offer? That's why we give you offer templates based on your technical stack and your experience. What if I'm not a marketer? We teach you systems so you don't need to be one. It's not simple sales tactics. But what if I fail? Worst case scenario, you will get your money back if you don't see any real progress. But ask yourself this, what if you win? You'll never apply for another job ever again. So here's what you get when you join Code to CEO. Weekly one-on-one coaching from me. Lifetime access to our curriculum, which is updated monthly. A private community of high-level software engineers, proven templates for offers, landing pages, and client acquisition systems, private accountability and implementation sprints, and last but not least, in-person masterminds, held usually once every 3 months. If you're watching this now, you're seeing it at the right time. You can either keep hoping that things will change at your job, or you can apply now and start building something that's truly, finally yours.